This is the lid for the tea kettle. This is when you want to clean it, break it apart. Twist the handle, comes apart. We have 5 pieces all together. If you want to put it together, the easiest way is, as you can see, this side is flat. This side's got these little springs, got 3 springs. Put it back. What you do is, this side, you have this little screw. Hold the screw, then just push it in. On this side, get your thumb. On this side, just see the screw. All you have to do is twist. On this side, you hold it with your finger. On the other side, you twist it. And then you keep pressing here, you twist it, or you get a little screwdriver, you hold it over here, but you can just do it with your finger and twist it firmly until it's tight. And that's it. Very simple.